Alright, here we are in the Florida Everglades, Alligator Alley. You can see the traffic going by there. I'm standing on one of the sketchier docks that you're going to find, but hey, what could go wrong? If it breaks, I fall in and swim with the alligators. Anyways, we're going to drop down the GoPro under here, see what is under the dock, and hopefully we can catch a gator or some bass or something. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Yeah, let's see what's down there.